Right, and I don't. And one other quick thing, I don't want people to start stuffing it out everywhere. Again, like I said before, it's required when it is. It's not required when it isn't, and it will cause errors if you try to place it in places that it shouldn't be, like right there. If you're ever curious as to whether or not you need an out modifier, read the errors. That's actually one quick little shout out I do want to do before we move on. Read the errors. I I can't count how many times, because I've been on the 3D Buzz forums for
Years.
9 years.
Yeah, many years.
Yeah, and I've seen a lot of people come into the C Sharp forums or the C++ forums and ask questions, and they say, "Oh, this isn't working. I'm getting a compiler error," and that's it. And then a person will say, "Okay, what's the error?" Then they'll copy and paste the error into the thread. Then a person will literally copy and paste the error into their reply, and then the original poster will be like, "Oh, that's what's wrong." Read the errors. Errors are very, very, very good to understand. If you ever need an out and you do not put it there, you will get an error that explicitly says argument is value while parameter is declared as out. So put an out there. If you see an error, like if I took off the semicolon, look at that. It says semicolon expected. And I don't know how that can get any clearer. So definitely read the errors. Yeah, they are definitely not like C++ compiler errors. I think the C++ compiler was specifically engineered to be the most obscure error generator available on this planet.